Okay, so today I'm here at Social's Connaught Place to see why Delhi people keep coming here again and again. My god, as soon as you enter Social, you can completely feel the vibe of it. The interiors, the detailing, the vibe, the ambience completely is insane and it definitely wants to make here stay more. Honestly, I love the ambience of Socials because every corner you see here is a completely different vibe. Whether you are here for outings, meetings, casual hangouts, it's perfect for everything. चलो अब menu scan करते हैं and let's place some delicious order. I think I really want to try the stir fry ramen and momo platter because of course Delhi आके momo नहीं खाए तो क्या किया. And for the drinks, I think let's go for the pink cream and sanskari mojito क्योंकि वो नाम से इतनी interesting लग रही है. And also for the dessert, I have something very special because we are ordering Ramesh and Suresh. It is very exciting, but let's see how it comes. And before you get me wrong, it is a fried 5-star bar with chocolate all over. I am really excited for this dessert. Let's see what comes. Okay, so our ramen is here and it looks so delicious, so tempting. Like, give it a look. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to try this. It looks so good. It looks so good. So good flavors, right amount in every bite. I love it. I just love it. And now comes our sanskari mojito. दिखने से तो ये बहुत सुंदर लग रही है, like all the sunset colors it has. But now let's do a taste test. Very refreshing. It has that citrusy flavor of orange and it is so good. It is very refreshing. Okay, so we have our momo platter here and it has 4 types of momos. The first is the butter garlic momos. They look very creamy. The second is the hell momos that they also said कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा spicy है तो मैम ध्यान से खाना. The third is the classic momos, steam momos, and the fourth is the tandoori momos. So let's try and find out. So the first we have is the butter garlic momos. They're very soft, they're very creamy, the perfect amount of texture, and it is dipped in butter. My god. The second we have is the hell momos. They look spicy, so let's just try कि वो उतने spicy हैं जितने उन्होंने बोले थे. It is very crunchy. And of course, वो immediate spice नहीं feel हो रहा है, but once you take a bite of it, you know it is very spicy. Now trying the classic momos. Of course, सबके favorite होते हैं ये तो. Let's try it with green chutney. Comforting momo. These are the best momos, I think. And now, last but not the least, the tandoori momos. They have that perfect grilled, smoky texture. I love it. This momo platter is absolutely my favorite. This momo platter is definitely my favorite. And of course, I won't share it with anyone. And also to pair up my momo platter, I have ordered this pink cream. Let's just find out how does it taste. Though the presentation is very nice. And this drink, it just not only looks good, but it has mango, strawberry, orange, like so many flavors. Now let's just try it. In every sip, you get the flavor of every food. It is so interesting, my god. Now here is Ramesh and Suresh, the thing that we were most excited about. And also look at this packaging. It is so cute. They have packed it in a box. Now let's just open it. My god, it is so cute. They have these fried 5-star cubes paired up with vanilla ice cream. Let's try it. This is so soft and now I've paired it up with vanilla ice cream. Now let's try it and find out. It has that crunch, the flavor of 5-star that is just melting in the mouth. And vanilla ice cream is definitely making it 10x better. And if you are a dessert person, you surely need to try this dessert. It is so good. I came here for a good meal but ended up having a really fun afternoon. And honestly, that's what Social is about, holding up memories. So subscribe to D for Delhi for more such amazing content.